Good morning, Pradyuman. How are
Good
you
morning,
today?
sir. I'm very well, sir. And what about you, sir?
I'm good as usual.
That's nice.
Happy, healthy, fine. Hello, Purti.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Purti. How are you doing today?
Sir, I am very well today. And what about you?
I'm Helen Hearty. Fine, good, smiling, enjoying the life.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Okay. So today again we are going to have some important session that's of phrasal verbs. Okay. And these phrasal
Yes,
verbs
sir.
are common and regular as well, but we ignore them to use them in our regular conversation. So today we are going to look over those phrases. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, pattern will be same. I will explain the phrasal verb, and then I will tell one sentence, and after that, one by one, you guys will tell one sentence each
Yes, sir.
on that
Okay.
particular phrasal verb. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first phrasal verb is account for. Account for. Account for means to be responsible for something. कोई चीज के लिए जिम्मेदार होना.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Now I'm going to make my own sentence that I am account for students' future. Pradyuman,
Yes,
it's
sir.
your turn.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, if Purti gives me any work to do, I always said to Purti that if this work deteriorate, I will not account for this.
Okay.
Yes.
Purti,
Yes, sir. Sir, we should account for our tiny faults.
our
And sir, we should account for saving the waters in our colony.
okay.
Yes,
So we are account for saving the water
yes, sir.
as a human.
It is very
Very nice.
important, sir. Yes.
Yes. Now next phrasal verb is break down. Break down. It is mostly referred to a machine or mechanical default. Okay? कोई मशीन जब बंद पड़
Yes,
जाती
sir.
है तो उसे बोलते हैं break down, right? Actually,
Yes,
my
sir.
car broke down in the middle of the way.
Yes, sir. Sir, when we
Pradyuman?
were going, yes, sir. Sir, when we were going towards Sanchi to see the monument, sir, suddenly our car broke down at the midway, and at that time we didn't get any mechanic.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How sad.
Sir,
Purti?
yes, sir. Sir, yesterday when I was washing my clothes, my washing machine has automatically broke down.
My washing
I don't know
machine
what
broke down
happened.
automatically.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next phrasal verb is very common, but it is frequently used. That is break into. Break into. To enter somewhere forcefully, okay, or without someone's permission. For example, yesterday, some robbers broke into the bank and they robbed the bank.
Yes, sir. Sir, despite having strict security in our border, sometimes sometimes terrorists went into in our country and they carried out their plan.
Very good. They carry out their plan.
Yes, yes, sir.
But now it is not going to happen.
Yes, sir.
Purti?
Yes, sir.
Purti?
Yes, sir. Sir, in today's era, Taliban has broke into the Afghanistan country.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, next phrasal verb is break up. Break up means finish, to end. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
This session will break up after 20 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Pradyuman?
Sir, this is a yes, sir. Sir, this is real incident. Sir, when my friend reached at his GF party. Sir, his GF break up with my friend.
Okay, broke up with him.
Broke up, yeah. His girlfriend broke up with my friend.
Okay. Purti?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, our school time duration break up after the 12th class.
Okay.
Yes.
Next phrasal verb is carry out. Carry out means to implement, to bring something into practice. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So to carry out new rules in the country is the responsibility of the government.
Yes, sir. So government should carry out good policies for poor people so that they can, yes, sir, they can get benefit of government policies.
Purti?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should carry out our glass material. That's why we can save them in our hand.
Okay. Next phrasal verb is cast away. Cast away means to throw something. कोई चीज फेंक देना. Okay, and sentence can be formed like this: that we should cast away the garbage into the dustbin.
Yes, sir. Every person should cast away their bad habits from their life so that they can go, a good success people in their life.
Okay. Purti?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, we should. I want to cast away my old mobile because it have been bought totally.
It has been.
Totally rose bought.
What do you want to say? You want to say that it is not working as before.
Yes, sir. It is not.
Okay, so you want to
working
say that.
I want, yes.
Okay, so
Then
you want to
I accept.
cast away your phone. Okay. All right. Next phrasal verb is catch up. Catch up to meet someone accidentally, okay, or to meet someone intentionally. Okay. But I
Yes, sir.
generally catch up my students after the class. I generally catch
Yes.
up my students after the class.
Yes, sir.
Pradyuman.
Sir, when I was undergoing the market, I catched up my old friend.
I caught up my friends.
Oh
Caught
yeah,
up.
I caught up my, yes, sir. I caught up my old friend.
Purti?
Yes, sir. Sir, when Olympic Games have finished, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has caught up all the athletes.
All the athletes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next phrasal verb is charge with. Charge with means to accuse, किसी पर आरोप लगाना, इल्जाम लगाना. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
police has charged my neighbors with stealing the money from the bank.
Yes, sir. Sir, when I was in class 12, some bad students charged with me that I have beaten Rahul, but I didn't do this.
I didn't do this. Okay. Yeah, I can see that. You look very skinny. And how can you beat someone else? You can be get beaten from others.
Sir, no,
All right.
I can beat.
Yeah. Oh, you can beat. But beating is a bad habit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Always follow Gandhiji's principle. Non-violence is the strong weapon. I was just
Yes,
kidding.
sir.
I was joking. Okay, Pradyuman. I hope you
Yes.
didn't take that
Okay,
seriously.
sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. I can understand.
Yeah. Purti, it's your turn.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So yesterday, Seema has charged up on me that I have stolen their mobile in front of my father.
Okay. Next phrasal verb is come over. Come over means किसी पर विजय पाना, to win over. Okay, to get a victory over something. come over. For example, if you want to come over your problems, you must have strong willpower and determination.
Sir, recently we have been hearing that that Taliban groups have come over the Afghanistan military, and Taliban groups are ruling there.
And how did you use
Yes, sir.
come over in this sentence?
Sir, Taliban have come over the Afghanistan military.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Purti?
Yes, sir. Sir, today I have studied world history, and the world history is described that Sikandar has come over whole the world.
Very
With
nice.
yes, sir. With bravery.
Okay. Well, next and the last phrasal verb or our session is crave for. Crave for means to have a strong desire for something. ठीक है, किसी चीज के लिए तड़पना.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A baby was craving for its mother.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in our India, some poor people are craving
People,
for food.
poor people.
Yeah. Yes, sir. In our India country, some poor people are craving for food.
Food, one time food.
Yes, sir.
Purti?
Yes, sir. Sir, in my house, my parents always crave for flying high in the sky.
Okay. Okay.
But we don't get freedom to do parrot.
Okay. So you have caged the parrot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. That is, I think, not okay. That's your personal choice. But to cage someone else, I think it's unfair. It's
Yes.
unfair. All right, guys. So today we have covered 10 very most important and very commonly used phrasal verbs in our today's session. So I hope
Yes,
you
sir.
guys will start using these common phrasal expressions in your daily conversations afterwards the
Yes.
session. All right.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the end of the session. Bye, guys. Have a nice day. Take care.
Bye,
Bye, sir. Have a nice
See you
day, sir.
to see you in the next session. Bye.
sir.
Bye, sir.